loudness of the buzzer and the product highly effective?
Highly effective is the buzzer can emit a sound of 80 decibel or above and within a 1 meter distance. Effective is the buzzer can emit a sound of 80 to 79 decibel and within 1 meter distance. Slightly effective is the buzzer can emit a sound of 40 to 59 decibel and within 1 meter distance. Not effective if the buzzer can emit a sound of 39 decibel or below and within 1 meter distance. We can say that our product is highly effective if it produces a sound of 80 decibel or above and measured within 1 meter distance.
However, in order for us to determine the maximum average decibel that our product can produce, we're going to use an application called sound meter. We're going to get the maximum average decibel by getting the maximum decibel 3 times using the sound meter app, then add the results and then divide the results by 3.
Now let's test whether the loudness of the sound of the product is highly effective.
Now we are going to determine the maximum average of decibel that our product can produce. For our first try, we got 73.5 maximum average of decibel. For our second try, we got 72.4 maximum average of decibel. For our third try, we got 73.1 maximum average of decibel. For our first try, we got 73.5 maximum average of decibel. For our second try, we got 72.4 maximum average of decibel. And for our third try, we got 73.1 maximum average of decibel. Now, if we add these three, we will get 219 maximum average of decibel. And now, we will divide it by 3 because we tested the maximum average of decibel 3 times. 219 divided by 3 is equals to 73. Therefore, the maximum average of decibel that our product can produce is 73 decibel.
Based on your observation, was the loudness of the sound of the product highly effective?
Is the distance of the buzzer on the product highly effective?
Highly effective if the audible sound produced by the buzzer reaches 20 meters distance or above. Effective if the audible sound produced by the buzzer reaches 15 to 19 meters distance. Slightly effective if the audible sound produced by the buzzer reaches 10 to 14 meters distance. Not effective if the audible sound produced by the buzzer reaches 9 meters distance or below. We can say that our product is highly effective if the audible sound produced by the buzzer reaches 20 meters distance or above. Now let's test whether the distance of the buzzer on the product is highly effective. Based on your observation, was the distance of the buzzer on the product highly effective?
Objective number 3. Is the duration of the buzzer on the product highly effective?
Highly effective if the product can produce sound for 6 minutes or above. Effective if the product can produce sound 4 to 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Slightly effective if the product can produce sound for 2 to 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Not effective, the product can produce sound for 1 minute and 59 seconds or below. We can say that our product is highly effective if the sound produced lasted for 6 minutes or above.
For this part, you can refer to the objective number 3 on the level of effectiveness of the light, where we tested the duration of the light for the reason that both light and buzzer were connected and synchronized at the same time. So while testing the duration of the light, the buzzer as well went off.
However, we're still going to provide a clip of the testing of the duration of the buzzer, in which you can skip any time if you're already gained insights about the duration of the buzzer from the previous objectives.
Now let's test whether the duration of the light on the product is highly effective. Based on your observation, was the duration of the buzzer highly effective?
Overall, is the buzzer of the product highly effective?
Highly effective if 3 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Effective if 2 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Slightly effective if 1 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Not effective if 0 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective.
We can say that the buzzer of our product is highly effective if 3 out of 3 questions were marked highly effective. Based on your observation, was the buzzer of the product highly effective?